What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have open ear headset. Okay, this is probably the most innovative thing that they have came up with, you guys. Now, I did do a review on open ear headsets, I think it was like a few months ago. So my wife actually loves hers. She wears hers all the time, every day. Now, the cool thing with these headsets is, all right, so the cool part with these headsets is that it has 30 hours of playtime, but that 30 hours don't mean like one earpiece is like 30 hours and then you have to recharge it. That 30 hours is with the case. Now, as far as playtime, as far as the headphones go, or the earpiece, or whatever you want to call it. Right here it says headphones, but it's not really an earpiece because it don't really go in your ear. So the cool thing about these are that they are 7 hours of playtime. These have 7 hours of playtime. Amazing, amazing. So if you on an 8-hour shift, you are good on your 8-hour shift. If you on a 12-hour shift, you may have to charge it. So, all right. So right here it says it's good for running, cycling, fitness, bouldering. Well, I guess you could say mountain climb. You guys, you don't have to be all technical. All right, and well, not bouldering, boulder. You know, the big rocks. All right, camping, and that's about it. All right, right here it says charging USB Type-C. It has all the specs right here, you guys. So like I told y'all, 7 hours on the headphones and 30 hours with a charging case. And yeah, so each headphone is 65 milliamps and the case is 700 milliamps. All right, and they have the different colors right there. All right, dual mic, ENC noise cancellation for calls. All right, I'm not really into all of that. I just want some good headphones. All right, now y'all know I'm not a tech channel. I do have like tech stuff on the channel, but you know, I'm not a tech guy that tells you the specs of frequencies and all that stuff. I just want to review some cool stuff. So here you go. It looks like it has different designs you can do. Oh, different ways you can place it on your ear. The way we've been doing it has been, you know, back around the whole ear. It seems normal, but if you have it around your ear like that, I guess that will do as well. So we will see. I will put it in different angles and I will let y'all know if I hear a difference or not. And here we go. Very nice, right? Very nice. I like the color scheme on this one, you guys. I like this little design right here. And the rubber on here feels very nice. All right, you guys, so if you ever get these headphones right here, there's always a paper that covers the charging prongs. So you will need to take that off. And you see, the charger comes on. So we're going to take this one off as well. And for what it says, the case is 100% already. I'm not sure about the headphones, but the case says 100%. Now they have button, they have it says right here, left, right. All right, 100. When you close it, you got USB Type-C charger port right here. All right, so they got power on, power off. Now, if you are new to these type of headsets, it will feel weird at first, you guys. You would definitely have to get used to it because you're used to something going in your ear instead of something just being outside of your ear. Just said power off. Y'all probably can't hear it, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna hold it for 6 seconds. Now it says power on. All right. And it's soft touch. Select SUDOTACK. Okay, so we have to look for SUDOTACK. All right, y'all see SUDOTACK. So you select SUDOTACK, you hit pair, and it says connect. Oh, it you can, man, I love these headphones because, man, it is so clear and it's loud. Can y'all hear that? This is the sound. This is so loud, you guys. Wow, that is awesome. Now, do I have to connect this one separately or does it connect automatically? Let's see. Okay, once you connect one, both are connected. So it's not a left and a right connection. All right. So I'm gonna do another test. I'm going to test this outside. I will come back to let y'all know if it survived like the lawnmower test. I wanna see if you can use this with like loud noise. So the lawnmower will definitely probably be the ultimate test. But these things are loud. So this is the stuff you have to remember, you guys. I mean, you have to remember that stuff. So give this like another day, test it out, and then I'll give y'all my final thoughts. But as for right now, these things are clear. Like the clarity of these things are awesome. All right. And yeah, catch y'all on the final review. All right, you guys. So I have used this for almost a few weeks now. And I have to say that these are so comfortable, you guys. The open air concept is like probably one of the best things ever. Now, the cool thing about this is that on the bottom here, you see how it looks like it want to go in your ear, but it don't. So, and it passed the lawnmower test. It's very loud. No complaints with that. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.